the house right here. They put the doors in. The texture is on the wall already.
Yeah, you put the doors?
Mm-hmm.
Other doors?
Looks nice. It's pretty awesome. Let's go check it out. They got a little bit of the cabinets over here. Oh, and the floors too. Oh, look, Dad. They got the floor on already. They just covered it up. Oh. Let me get a little visual of the floor quick.
Because they don't want the floor to get dirty.
Yeah, they don't want to mess up. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's gonna be hard to reach though up here. Gotta get a ladder or something. A little step stool. What's up, Dad?
You can put a ladder right here.
What's that?
You can put a ladder right
I
here.
think what goes right there? I think the sink? No, the sink goes here. I don't know. Oh, the dishwasher goes here, I think.
Right here?
No, right where you're standing at, right there. This is the garage. Huge. Beautiful. Ooh, I'm gonna go love this. Daddy gonna love this. I like it.
I like it a lot because if your car goes in,
Mm-hmm.
if your car's like big and fat,
Look at this wire. What is this for?
Except if it's like small like this, if your car's big and you cannot fit your car in there, so.
The bathroom. Oh, wow, look.
Wait, this is gonna be the bathroom?
Yeah, this is the bathroom bed right here. I don't know what all these little things are coming out of the wall. These most of them. Let's see.
Oh, look at
What's that? That's probably for the switch, a light switch there. Let's go upstairs, check it out.
I already put this on, right?
Oh yeah, the rail. Cool. Cute.
Except the rail, I don't like. It's
Oh.
because it's wood
Uh-huh.
and it might give you splinters. Let me get here.
Master. Liking it. Liking it.
You cannot breathe in here.
Yeah, there's no AC yet. They are still
You can't even have
working
a
on
heart
it.
attack.
Huh?
A heart attack.
Well, it is kind of it's still a work in progress, Dad. I still need to do a lot of stuff, I think. I'll take those paints off.
That's it.
Let's see.
There's a bathroom.
This is the bathroom. Nice, nice. What? Oh yeah, you can see. Yeah, you're gonna have to swim in that. Take a shower in that.
They're gonna take except they're gonna take that all out.
What's that?
This stuff in there. In the bathroom.
Yeah, wow.
That's the air.
Uh-huh.
It's not working right now.
It's for the AC unit. Wow. Get the room. It's nice, nice. Closet. Oh, I think the other one has a bigger closet though.
Yep.
Yeah.
What's this?
I wonder if the video's gonna cut off in 5 minutes. I think it is.
Wait, what's in the back of the phone?
Oh no, still keep going. Huh? I don't know. I put it on something and looked like it kind of just corroded the back of the
There's
case.
white
Yeah,
stuff.
I know. I put it on something. I laid it on something, I guess, and I could probably take it out though. I can see right here. It doesn't move anymore.
What is that?
For the washer and dryer. Yep, this is the house. Oh, it's pretty awesome. Look, you can see outside. See what's going on out
You
there.
could sit.
Yeah, no, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, you might fall off.
Yeah. Oh, that's a house. Awesome though. Awesome blossom.
Awesome.